I've played the fool, broke every rule, through thick and thin. I've played to win against the odds. I fought the gods, and right or wrong, I still stand strong. I count the cost of what is lost when you're under attack. If you never look back, I've been knocked to the floor, but I'll come back for more. We were born to rule the earth, defenders of the universe, keepers of the flame forevermore. We will fight for what it's worth, 'cause we were born to rule the earth. Victory is ours to taste, protectors of the human race. We're the kings of the